Today's word is amenable. It is an adjective. It means willing to agree or follow suggestions, being open to a suggestion or easy to control and influence. Similar words include cooperative, agreeable, flexible. The students were amenable to the teacher's new study plan. He was amenable to changing his mind after hearing the facts. The puppy was amenable to training because it wanted to please.
Do you think we should try the new park today instead of the old one?
Sure, I am amenable to that idea.
Emma uses amenable to show that she is happy to agree with John's suggestion. Think of amenable as being the opposite of being stubborn. If you say yes to helpful ideas, you are being amenable. If you are very stubborn and refuse to listen to anyone, are you being amenable?